So now we are moving to the second floor of the academic block through the first staircase. In each of the floors, open views have been kept to see the campus around. So now we are in second floor of academic building. So it is the same architecture again. This is one lift, one staircase that we have used, which is going to the third floor even. And this is an open area in each of the floors kept for the student circulation area. And lift. Next to this we have a maintenance room. Notice boards are being maintained in each of the floors. And this is the first classroom of our second floor, numbered as SF Classroom 1. It is the same concept used in each of the floors. Again, it is the same thing, 60 capacity classroom, equipped with a projector, internet connectivity, and faculties are using their laptops to use this facility. It is equipped with air conditioner and ventilation is there. It is projecting to the outside part of the campus. So left to this, we have a staff toilet. And then we have our second classroom of the second floor. Which is again equipped with a sitting capacity for 60 students, projector, air conditioner, and well ventilation. Coming out of the second classroom of second floor, it is the same architecture. The staircase goes. This is the second staircase which reaches to the exit. Firefighting equipments are already installed in each of the floors. And now we are moving to the next room, which is electronics lab 5. Now in this lab, I would like to request Mr. Amitabh to kindly explain what are the facilities available here.
Welcome to the Electronics Lab 5. This lab is basically comprising of three different categories of instruments. First one is the assembly language lab, consisting of 8085 based assembly language setup. We have total 10 number of working kits. And after that we have embedded system development lab. We have equipment such as Arduino development board. We have Raspberry development board along with all the kits and system for development. And we are using Raspberry Pi for the development. And this lab is particularly used for providing industrial training to the students of electronics and other courses. Then we have 8086 trainer kits for assembly language practice on 8086. Then this time we have got the communication lab. This lab is having a setup for showing the amplitude modulation and demodulation, then frequency modulation, demodulation setup. Then we have digital. Coming to this side, we have digital modulation setup, where we demonstrate the digital modulation and demodulation experiments. Then we have advanced level kits for demonstration of communication system based experiments. This side we have got instrumentation lab and fiber optics lab. We have got basics fiber optics trainer kit, where we perform practicals, so practicals based on the fiber optic communication. Then we have got instrumentation lab, where we show the practicals based on the instrumentation as per the syllabus. Apart from this, in this lab we also have got a setup for microwave communication. That side we can see we have a full setup for microwave lab, and we also have 8051 and development boards. Apart from this, we have Xilinx and other embedded system development boards. So this is about this lab, where we conduct the practicals of advanced electronics and industrial training as well.
So this was the electronics lab 5. Next to that, we have a computer lab number 2 of the building. So this is computer lab 2. Now I would like to request Ambalika ma'am to please explain what are the facilities available in this lab.
Good afternoon, welcome to Computer Lab 2. So this lab is equipped with 20 numbers of systems, and the specifications are 4 GB of RAM, then 500 GB of hard disk, then Windows 10 Pro is the operating system, and we are having a projector. And the softwares which are installed over here: NetBeans, TypeMaster, Notepad++, then JDK, and Turbo C++ and XAMPP. Specifically here, Advanced Java course, Java lab, and Internet Technology lab are taken. Additionally, here network courses, various network courses will be taken, because there is a configuration CCNA routers and switch are there. 3 numbers of routers and 3 numbers of switches are there.
So this is the lab we have seen. In each of the computer lab, you can see a server connection is also there, which is kept in these rooms. Coming out of this lab, we'll be moving to the next lab on the left hand side, which is an electronics lab, and the number of the lab is lab number 6, electronics lab number 6 of this building. Now I would like to request Mr. Rigbed to explain what are the facilities available in this lab.
This is the hardware networking lab. Myself, Rigbed Chakraborty, I am the lab in charge of this lab. This lab is equipped with various components of hardware and as well as the networking. Let me introduce the available trainer kits. This is the local area trainer model, lab 100. So this is used to perform the various kinds of functions like serial communication, parallel communication, start topology, bus topology, RJ45 and USB data communication. So move next to is the switch networking communicating device, which used to support it has 24 pins. It used to support the 24 systems. This is the color monitor. This diagnose the different kinds of fault tolerance. This is the RGB, the primary colors are there, and here more than 15 pins which to analyze and direction the signals in the different sections. So next is this is the digital trainer. Here the logic gates are there. All the things are there here. And next move this is the keyboard trainer kit. Keyboard trainer kit. And this is the motherboard. The layout of the motherboard is there, north bridge and south bridge. And this is the sound card and video card. And these CPU cabinets are used to perform the assembling and deassembling by the students. And this is the SMPS. This is the one projector used for students as well as during the classes. This is the regulated DC power supply. The voltage and current can be shown when the input is done. Next is the dot matrix printer. It prints by ribbon stripe. This is the knob is there. Next is the another kit of LAN trainer. By this trainer kit, we used to perform the 4 operations. One is star topology, ring topology, bus topology, and node-to-node communication. Next, this is the switchboard, the layout of the switching board. This is the power section, and this is the motherboard circuit. And also, it is has to support it has 24 ports, and it is used to support 24 computer systems. And this is the PC trainer kit. Here the SATA CD DVD driver are there. FDD, which is the storage capacity 1.44 MB. This is the PATA hard disk 80 GB. This is the SATA, and this is the layout of motherboard along with the SMPS. This is the another model of LAN trainer kit. It is to same 4 operations: star topology, ring topology, bus topology, and node-to-node communication by using LAN trainer software. And here the practical kit of dot matrix printer. It prints striking the ribbon. It is used to, this is the knob of this. And this portion of this lab consists of computers. These computers used by students for their practical session, such as PCB design tool using ORCID software, and troubleshooting BIOS setup as part of networking to establish how to make the peer-to-peer connection, IP configuration, like that way, the routing basis. These are all done by the students by this section. And this is the projects. These are the various projects done by the students: the automatic water pump controller, and low cost FM transmitter, frequency modulation transmitter, robotic land rover, and automatic object sorting robot, and also below is there vehicle speed motoring system. Here is their line forward robot. So such kinds of various projects done by the students very successful.
Now this was the electronics lab 6 that we have completed. It is next to that, it is again the same architecture. We have the washroom facilities in this corner, ladies and gents, and next to this we have our chemistry lab. So I would like to request Manisha ma'am to share what are the facilities available in the lab.
Hello, this is chemistry laboratory. The first year students of diploma, they are performing their chemical experiments here. So in this lab we can generally do the water analysis and salt analysis. For that all the glasswares are kept in handy. Some are here, some are in the further storage. These are all the chemicals that we need for the salt analysis. All the basic chemicals are present here. And some more glasswares are kept here. This laboratory can easily accommodate all around 30 students. This whole setup is for titration purpose. And now we can use this bench area. Now we can use this bench area for explaining the prerequisite theories that we have. And the students can finish their writing works related to all these practicals. For the fire hazards, we have these smoke detectors and also the fire extinguisher here. All the perishable and non-perishable items are recorded in the laboratory register here.
So this was the chemistry lab. Next to it, we'll be moving towards the physics lab. In each of the floors, we have our firefighting equipments which have been installed in two locations. One towards the left hand side of the lift and one towards the right hand side of the lift. We have our firefighting equipments. This is the physics lab. I would like to request Mr. Sumit to explain what are the facilities available in this lab.
Hello and welcome to the physics lab. My name is Sumit Sinha. I am the in charge of this lab. This lab is basically used for doing the practical and laboratory works related to engineering diploma students. And this lab is well equipped with lots of devices and apparatus among them. I am showing one by one. This is a balance machine which will be used to measure the specific gravity of a certain substance. We have a UV spectrophotometer which is used to characterize different fluid properties. We have a spectrometer apparatus which will be using to study the different optical phenomena of light. Here we have a photo setup along with the CRO which will be used to measure the temperature dependence of resistance of a certain conductor. Next we have meter bridge and a post office box which are used to measure the unknown resistance of an unknown sample. Next we have this apparatus, this one, to measure the resonance of sound. We basically find the antinodes and nodal points of a sound. Next, we have this apparatus for measuring the focal length of a convex lens by using UV method. UV means finding the image distance as well as the object distance. We have to find the focus of a convex lens. Next, we have this apparatus which will be used to measure the refraction of light. Light will be allowed to fall on this thin glass slab and it will show some refraction. We will study this refraction phenomena here. Here we have this apparatus to study the law of reflection of light using these plane mirrors. We have these screw gauges and slide calipers which will be used to measure the thickness, the radius and to find the diameter of a certain object. This is overall we have in this lab. Moreover, we have a projector equipped in this lab, and also this lab is equipped with AC. That's all we have in this physics lab. Thank you.
So this was the physics lab that we have seen. With this we have almost ended towards the second floor of this academic building. Now we have again reached back to the point from where we started and we have gone towards in a clockwise direction. Now the next step will be moving towards the third floor of this academic building.